Hi, everyone. My name is Paul Brigner. I'm the North American Regional Bureau Director for the Internet Society. It's good to see you all here today. I am very pleased to be here to have the premiere screening of a movie that the Internet Society North American Bureau and David Bjorst of the Internet Society DC chapter, as well as Relay Station Media and Digital Strategies, produced. This movie is entitled, it's a short documentary film actually, it's entitled The Internet Exposed, Encryption, Backdoors and Privacy, and the Quest to Maintain Trust. This is about a 22-minute video. I hope you enjoy it. Right after the video, we're going to have a short panel. We'll have a couple of the scholars and experts featured in the video on the panel, as well as some other experts that you all know well. So I'm going to run back and start the video. Please enjoy and tweet about it, please.